Welcome to another very quick unboxing of this, well, apparently is a Sony Ericsson Z520i, released in June 2005, bought from eBay. It's now apparently supposed to be in good condition. A few scratches here and there, a few dents perhaps, but nothing too serious. So this arrived this morning and they say it cost $14.99, which included the included delivery, so £14.99 all in. Please take extra care when inserting SIM test. If SIM tray is damaged, we won't. Okay, so let's have a look. Seemingly, it was advertised originally for £75. £75. You would have thought they would have made the effort to take that off. Anyway, I'll get back to that. So it doesn't look like it is in too bad a condition. I'm gonna very quickly put this on charge. Got the charger in. Okay, oh, there it is, it's charging, and the front screen display works, which is a bit of a bonus. So at least we've got something working there. Okay, I tell you what we'll do, I think, see if I can get a SIM card in there, just to make sure that everything works fine. There's the, looking a little bit, but again, it just said it was good, so I'm not expecting everything to be in A1 perfect condition. £15. You know, I've had worse deals. Put that in there like that. Is that on? It looks like it is. Let's fire this up. Is that there's the power button. Is that the power button? Oh, it is. Okay. That would look German. Was that German? According to SIM select. Welcome to setup. No. Okay. So we're going to get a signal. I'll tell you what, I'll quickly put the charger back in. Is that the right way? No, there you go. Okay, they're charging. Okay, so I'm not going to bang on too much about this. Sony Ericsson Z520i, released 2005. Inactive SIM, so it is unlocked, which is handy. Overall, surprised that they didn't get rid of this. I can see, I don't know whether you can see, I don't know if that's part of the case, but there's like bits of, I can see scuffs of grey. I don't know if it's part of the case. I don't think it is. Anyway, looks okay. It works, not too bad. Would have bought it if I'd known. 50-50. The front comes off. Does the front come off? Front comes off fairly straightforward, I think. He says, is that going to come off? It's a bit of a deal coming up. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll do some videos in the future, review, start up, shut down, that kind of thing. And of course, any ringtones that are in with this particular handset. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.